Yes. Oh my God.
See, weather is not good. Very bad. Bad weather. So we have some urgent work. That's why we are moving. That's why
Towards
we are
our
going.
factory.
Yes. Generally, in this weather, people
Prefer to stay in the home.
yes.
He is my respected brother. He is younger to me but respected.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
And his wife Rati and his daughter Eba. Eba. How are you? Oh, okay.
See.
Very tough to drive car. Cannot see well, you know.
Visibility is 10 meter.
No more than 10 meter, but
Sometimes you cannot see.
Yeah. And we are driving just at, you know,
Under 60.
this side frozen lake.
But you cannot see anything.
Well,
I'm feeling hot
inside the car.
inside the car.
You are not feeling hot?
No,
Why?
I feel cold. I can't touch in the window.
Okay.
Now visibility is around 30 meter. The road condition is not good, but we have no choice. Just move ahead. We cannot go back. Suddenly to start. See this side frozen lake. You can see something. People have their
We cannot
stand.
see anything, see? It looks like a desert, snow desert.
Yeah, you can say snow desert.
Snow desert, right?
Yes, snow desert. Good.
Eva, do you want to say something? No? Okay. If you have any message, you can deliver that. nobody is on the road. Till now we didn't saw any people outside home. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Nobody outside. See, it looks like everybody inside home. Big church there. Now we are going to cross the lake, frozen lake. Both sides, see.
No side.
Now we are about to reach our factory
Yes.
and software office as well. We have our factory here and our software development
So
office.
now we are going to finish this video right now.
Yes. Okay,
Bye
Natiji?
bye.
Okay.
See you again.
Iba? Okay?
Bye.
Okay.
Mm.